Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share this video. In this video here I am using blue color of yarn. This is velvet double knit yarn. You see clearly how look it is. And also in this video here I am using 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissors like this. So let's get started and make it. Hold yarn like this in fingers. Next we're gonna make a slip knot. Just insert a hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and just pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Just insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull it into the loop, yarn over and pull it into the loop. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over and just pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Here you see clearly we have chain. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat this pattern until you complete the total of 76 chains. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Here my 76 chains complete. You see clearly how look it is. Next we're gonna make double crochet. First we're gonna skip 5 chains and then we will make double crochet into the 5th chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 5th chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is my first block, you see clearly. For the next block, chain 1, skip chain from the base and make double crochet into the next chain, like skip chain 1 and into the second we're gonna make double crochet. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my second block, repeat same pattern, chain 1 on top. After double crochet, skip 1 chain on the base and then 1 double crochet into the second chain. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly. Again chain 1, skip 1 chain from the base and double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loop, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Again chain 1 after double crochet, skip 1 chain from the base and make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Just we're gonna make chain 1 on top and then we will skip chain 1 on the base. Like you see clearly, this is the check pattern until you complete into the end. Here my first row complete. Just 1 double crochet and 1 chain skip. For the next row we're gonna make 3 chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Like this, make 1 more chain. Here we're gonna make the total of 4 chain for making the first block. Now insert your hook into the top of the double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the top of the below double crochet, like here. Insert your hook into the top of the double crochet, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my first block is ready. Now just repeat same pattern from the first row, chain 1 and again make 1 double crochet into the top of the double crochet. Like we have the base of double crochet stitches, we make the second row on the base of the stitches, chain 1 and again make 1 double crochet into the base double crochet. You see clearly. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. You see clearly how look it is. Just repeat same pattern, make the total of second row until you reach here. Here my second row complete. Now for the next row again we're gonna make 4 chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, 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 and just turn your work and repeat same pattern. We can make again 1 double crochet into the base of double crochet, like here. After 1 double crochet, chain 1 on top, just yarn over, pull it, and then we will make 1 double crochet into the top of the base double crochet. Like you see clearly how look it is. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just repeat same pattern, chain 1 on top and 1 double crochet into the base double crochet. Just repeat same pattern, make the pattern of check until you complete the total of third row. Here my third row complete. You see clearly. Next I'm going to make my last stitch, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into the base of the double crochet like here. My 3 rows complete almost. Next we're gonna make the side of the hairband. For making side, chain 1 on top, just chain 1 for single crochet stitch. On sides we're gonna make single crochet stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops, yarn over and just pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. In first pack we're gonna make total of 3, and in second we're gonna make again total of 3 single crochet. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Here you see clearly. In the last we're gonna make again 3 single crochet. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Here my first row complete. Now for the next row, chain 1 on top, turn your work. Inside we're gonna make joining stitch. For joining single crochet stitch, in first 2 stitches we're gonna make a join, and in center we're gonna make 1. Insert your hook, pull the yarn again, insert your hook, pull the yarn into the second chain, yarn over and pull it into 3 loops. Here we have first join stitch. Next we're gonna make 1 single crochet in each chain. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Here my last 2 chain left. Now insert your hook, pull the yarn again, insert your hook, pull the yarn in the next chain. We have 3 loops on hook, yarn over and pull it into 3 loops. My join stitch is ready. You see clearly. Here I make 2 join in first and in the last. Next we're gonna make chain 1 and just turn your work again. We're gonna make join stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn again, insert your hook, pull the yarn into the next chain, yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. In center stitches we're gonna make single crochet, insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Just repeat same pattern until you left 2. Now insert your hook, pull the yarn again, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. Now in sides we're gonna make join stitch, and in center we're gonna make 1 single crochet until you reach into the only one of chain below. Just remember, only in sides we're gonna make join stitch. For joining stitch, just insert your hook, pull the yarn again, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. And in single crochet, just insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly. Just repeat same pattern until you complete the total of triangle. Now here I make my last stitch of single crochet. Here my triangle complete. You see clearly how look it is. Now in the last stitches, here I make just join stitch, and in the center we're gonna make single crochet. Now for making the knot, here I am making chain on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Just repeat same pattern until you complete the total of 40 chains. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 40 chains. Here my 40 chains complete. You see clearly. Now in the last we're gonna make flower. Skip first 2 chain and double crochet into the third chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. Make 1 more double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my 2 double crochet into the same chain ready. Then 2 chain on top, and for 2 chain, here we can make slip stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn twice. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn twice. My first flower petal is ready. Now for the next petal. For next petal, here we're gonna make next petal into the same chain below, 3 chain, then 2 double crochet into the same chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over into the second loop, make 2 double crochet. Here my 2 double crochet stitches is ready. Next we're gonna make 2 chain and then slip stitch into the same chain below. Insert your hook, pull the yarn twice. My second flower petal is almost ready. Now for the third petal, again 3 chain on top, then 2 double crochet into the same chain. After 2 double crochet, 2 chain on top, and then slip stitch into the same chain below. After the third of the slip stitch, here you see my third petal is complete. Chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like this. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end. Pull the yarn tightly like this. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Insert your hook, pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches like this. This is for neat and clean look. Make sure you hide all the leftover yarn inside the stitches for your work neat and clean. Here you see clearly my flower look neat and clean after this step. So make sure you follow each step of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. My first side is complete. Just repeat the same pattern on another side and make a knot. First we're gonna make single crochet and then triangle, then flower. Here my pattern complete. You see clearly how look it is. Both sides complete with a knot and a beautiful lacy pattern on head top. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.